Hello, everyone. Today we are here to talk about the importance of water conservation. You may or may not know that water is a finite resource, and over the last 10 years, 21 of the world's 37 largest aquifers around the world have used more water than water that is being replaced in them. We are Aquasense, a water conservation startup focused on spreading the message of water conservation and making it easy for people to start making a change. The founders of the company are myself, Eli Winters, along with Charlotte Milton, Mike Bickley, John Olin, Matt Duff, and Jason Ginniger. Here at Aquasense, water is life, and we have designed a series of water monitoring sensors that can attach to the water pipes in any building, along with sensors that can be attached to the end of a faucet or sink. Our product monitors the water flow and usage in these buildings. It allows you to set goals for your monthly usage and utilizes a mobile application to track your progress, with the end goal of reducing the overall water consumption in each building or home. We are located in Burlington, Vermont, and plan on releasing our product, the Aquasensor, to market at the start of the year 2020. The main value that we are adding begins with water monitoring at its finest. Our product allows for users to set water goals in their business or household, all while reducing the negative impact water waste has on the environment. The Aquasense system has several other functionalities, including the ability to monitor water usage in a plumbing system 24/7, can detect leaks, and has a mobile interface that allows users to analyze and maintain their water usage. Through these functions, Aquasense creates values or gains by helping users save money and create a feeling of environmental responsibility. It also relieves pain such as high water bills, potential water damage, and the environmental impact of wasting water. Here is a little bit of an insight into how someone would come across our product and how it would benefit them in a positive way. In our ideal scenario, it all begins with a man named Sam. Sam is the man in charge of the UVM school renovations. He is under a lot of pressure to make the school as sustainable and environmentally conscious as possible. Sam now finds himself talking to an Aquasense representative, and through this conversation he has discovered a way to make the school sustainable and reduce costs over time. He even sees how the Aquasensor will allow him to set goals for the building's monthly water usage, allowing him to improve over time as well. The school is on board with this idea, and he finds himself promoted to head of environmental standards. Sam is thrilled. Now we're going to take a look at our business architecture. At the very lowest level, or very beginning of our marketing process, our customers will receive information about the Aquasensor by speaking with an Aquasense representative. If this customer is interested and they want to install an Aquasensor in their building, or even add it to the construction of their new building, they will be able to purchase a number of Aquasensors. Once the customer receives their order, they can move ahead with the installation. Some of our sensors can be installed without professional help, while some of the other sensors may require expertise of a plumber, a service that Aquasense will happily provide. Once the customer has had their sensors installed, we will schedule and complete a 3-month check-in. After these 3 months, if they are satisfied with the sensors, we will then be able to service their sensors throughout their lifetime. If the customer is not satisfied with the sensors, we will then initiate a removal process. As we continue to grow, our marketing and growth process will become more streamlined and efficient. Now we're going to take a look into the industry itself. After doing an analysis of our closest competitors, we saw that many of our competitors, if not all of them, operate in a business-to-customer model. The business-to-customer channels are highly saturated with all types of competition. Flow, Water Hero, Nest, Flume, and Honeywell are a few. Some of our competitors will be hitting the market just before we do, while the others have already made a name for themselves in the industry. Because of this, we will begin by operating under a B2B model. The business-to-business model is a market that is not as highly competitive. Being a B2B facing company will allow us to differentiate ourselves from our competitors and will help build our company's brand recognition. The Aquasense system is best suited for customers who are monitoring water usage on a large scale, such as property managers or universities. These customers have the most to be gained from Aquasense's products. The scale of their operations make it difficult to monitor in a conventional way, and small changes in water usage on a large scale can make a huge difference in cost to the customer and their environmental impact. An ideal customer would be an environmentally conscious property manager who aspires to incorporate technology and analytics to encourage their tenants to reduce water waste. Looking into our revenue model, this table shows our revenue model for the first 5 years of operations. Beginning in January of 2020, we have our fixed costs and our variable costs that include software equipment for the web application, office space, and supplies will prevent us from being profitable in 2020 and 2021. As of now, we estimate that our profit margin will be approximately 65%. However, after we have proof of concept, cost per unit should decrease as we move manufacturing operations to international facilities. We anticipate that our sales strategy, coupled with benefits that the Aquacenter provides, will allow us to sell at least 8,000 units a year by 2024 and reach approximately $1.2 million in sales. As for fundraising, for the various expenses associated with creating and scaling a business, we have decided to partner with venture capitalists who align with our environmentally conscious values and who believe in our product. So during our trade show, we set up a survey and the results are below. Of the 12 respondents, 83.3% of them take showers from anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. While the average shower head has a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute, this could result in anywhere from 12 to 25 gallons of water used per shower. Along with this, 33% of our respondents said that they do not turn off their water when brushing their teeth, which can result in 3 to 5 gallons of water wasted every time you brush your teeth. All respondents answered saying they do not know how much water they use a month, creating even more opportunity for Aquasense. When it comes to the world's water supply, many people do not know that it is a finite resource that we are quickly running out of, and we must begin to save water at all costs. Finally, 91% of our respondents do not have any device to track their water usage, while over 50% said that, given this information on water usage, they would try to reduce their overall consumption. This is a good sign for Aquasense, as there is potential in the market. So a part of our sensors is the app. So this is where the Aquasense app comes in. With the installation of every sensor comes the application interface. Our app allows for customers to see and track their daily, weekly, monthly water usage. With features such as setting a monthly water goal and receiving feedback on ideas how to reduce your overall water consumption, the Aquasense app is the unified solution for a home or business water monitoring needs. All with the end goal in mind of helping people and businesses reduce their overall water consumption. Like every good startup, we know that the first idea does not always work. That is why we are prepared with a backup plan if all else fails. First being, instead of having the over-the-faucet sensors, we would move into the water filtration industry, similar to the Brita water filter. Also, since installing some of our products may be a challenge, adopting an easy-to-use, do-it-yourself, over-the-pipe water monitoring device is another idea that we have in store. If all else fails, we still strongly believe in water conservation efforts and would plan to partner with nonprofits such as Water.org, Maya, and Charity Water to spread the message of water conservation. These nonprofits focus on reducing the amount of fresh water that is lost in the distribution system, along with work with local organizations to build wells and provide training on the importance of clean water and hygiene, and donating 100% of public donations to the people in need of fresh water. Currently, for our strategic direction, our plan for the next 3 years is to continue to build our reputation by first targeting companies who have the same values as us, which would be a focus on sustainability. We want our name to be well known in the industry and want to have it backed by established businesses like the University of Vermont or even the Eco Center by Lake Champlain. Over the next 5 years, we will begin to explore a larger national market and move out of the Vermont and New England area. Along with expanding in the nation, we will begin moving into the business to customer market. Once our company's name is established and can be trusted, we feel this is the best way we will be able to penetrate an already competitive market. We are Aquasense, and we thank you for your time.